Hello everyone. So next we will talk about Gassman indole synthesis. This is the last synthesis of indole. For the synthesis, this is the last method for the synthesis of indole. So what is the Gassman indole synthesis? This is a reaction in which a hypohalite beta or beta carbonyl sulfide derivative and a base. So these three things are added sequentially to an aniline or a substituted aniline to provide 3-thioalkoxyindole. So this is already a substituted indole in this section. So this is known as, because in this section this is called Gassman indole synthesis. So this is the general reaction for this. We have already now that there we have an aniline and there we have a beta. This is a derivative of beta carbonyl sulfide and hypohalite. So this is the base in the presence of which this reaction takes place, and there we have a aniline where we get. So this is the reaction which takes place. As a result, we will get this aniline, this indole. So this indole is actually the thioalkoxyindole. This is a thioalkoxyindole. This is a substituted indole, and we get this indole uh, in the result of Gassman indole synthesis process. So we will talk about the mechanism of this reaction. In this step, there is a formation of free radical by the transfer of one electron toward chlorine and one electron toward this oxygen, and there we have both free radical. One radical is this and one radical is this. So in the next step, there we have another free radical. So the NH2 group, there we have NH2, and between NH and H there is a single bond. So one electron is transferred again here, and one electron will get include with this hydrogen, and there we have this this molecule is already separately present here, and we have NH free radical attached with benzene and Cl radical. Now in the next step, we have our Cl radical. We have already get from the previous step. So this they will again become bonded, and we have NHCl. In the next step, we have the next molecule, and this has a lone pair. This lone pair will attack on this nitrogen, and this chlorine will be released. So as a result of this, we will have this structure. This is our sulfonium ion, and in the next step, it will be attacked by this base, and this base will attack on this hydrogen. This hydrogen will transfer its proton toward this carbon, and so there we have in the next step. So this carbon will get negatively charged. This negatively charged will attack on this position, and this the pi density in the ring will move toward this position, and as a result this group will get released, and this electron density will transfer toward this sulfur, and the sulfur will get neutral. So in the again there will be the attack of this Et2n, and it will again get this proton removed because it is a base, and its electron density will transfer here, and the aromaticity of benzene will again become available, and this electron density will move toward this carbon, and this electron density will transfer on this oxygen. So this was the 2,3 sigma tropic rearrangement. So it is also known as summit house rearrangement. So in the next step, we will have the next step will be the electron, yeah, or proton transfer atom reaction. In this way, O negative will attack on this hydrogen, and we have OH. So in the next step, this nitrogen has electron pair. It will transfer on this position, and OH will be removed. So in the next step we have R here, and S, and S we, with S we have H, and this H will transfer its electron density here, and then we have a double bond, and this electron, as a result, this electron density will transfer on this nitrogen to make it neutral. And there we have RS, so it can be removed if we want to remove it. Now we have the alkoxy indole, but if we want to remove this RS, it can be removed by the hydrogenolysis. What is the hydrogenolysis? It is the first the breakage of bond, and then the hydrogenation take place. So for the this reaction we will take catalyst Rene nickel, and it will take place in the presence of hydrogen molecule. So sulfur dioxide group can be removed by the hydrogenolysis. This is also known as desulfurization. So this group will take hydrogen, it will replaced by hydrogen, this group, and there we have the substituted indole. So this is the all about the Gassman indole synthesis.